Hello students, it's me again, back already. So I'm going to do a shorter video than the one on essay structure about thesis statements. All right, so your thesis statement, and if you watch the video on essay structure, you know thesis statement comes at the end of the introduction. So it is typically the last sentence of your first paragraph. And that's a really good place to put it, all right? For one thing, that lets me know that that's what you meant to have as your thesis statement, all right? Every paper needs a thesis statement. It's a really big deal, all right? So let's talk about what it is, all right? So a thesis of an essay is basically the topic plus the focus of your paper, and that will be your thesis, okay? So the topic is what? And in this case, I've given you the topic because I'm asking you to write about what it means to be a successful college student, what habits you will need to develop to be a successful college student. The focus is what about it, all right? So in this case, what about becoming a successful college student? What will those habits be, basically, all right? So to be a successful college student, to be successful in college, students should develop good habits, right? So that is what? To be a successful college student, what about it? Students should develop good habits, all right? Now, there is another variation on this, and I think that this is a good one to get started with. If you sort of struggle with thesis statements and it stresses you out a little bit, or if the structure of the essay is a little bit distressing to you, then you might use what's called the chicken foot. It's called a chicken foot because it usually, in a 5-paragraph essay, has 3 toes. I'm going to go with the 3 toes and then that little spur. I don't know what that is at the bottom of the chicken, but anyway, I'm gonna go with 4. My chicken has issues. Okay, so in this case, what you do is you sort of have the what at the beginning, and then you lay out your points in the thesis statement. Okay, so in this case, students should develop these 4 habits to be successful, okay? And then I've listed the 4 that Morales talks about in his essay. All right, so manage time, understand the rigor, actively seek help, and start working early on, all right? So in Morales says the first 2 weeks is important, but that's in a regular semester. That's in a 16-week semester. How many weeks do we have? 8. So that means this week you get going, all right? You've got plenty of work to do. So if you have questions about thesis statements, feel free to shoot me an email. Also, I am in the Zoom room typically from 9 to 11, most mornings, except Fridays. And then on this Wednesday, I'm probably not going to be in the Zoom room. But typically I am. I'll put my Zoom link, I think it's already up, but I'll put it up in a place where you know how to find it, where I put this link to this video. All right, take care of yourselves. See you soon.